This is the Ford F-150 FP700S. Ford Performance built this one. Start it and the exhaust barks. Under the hood sits the 5.0 V8, now wrapped in a Whipple Supercharger. That blower turns a family hauler into something wild. Ford quotes 700 horsepower and 590 pound-feet, nearly double a standard truck, and Ford sends every bit of it to the rear wheels the recipe muscle trucks have always chased. Ford lined these up at a real speedway, so subscribe and stay for what this street truck can do. On track, it looks almost restrained. Only the badges hint at what is hiding underneath. Best part, it is 50-state legal and covered by a warranty. That makes it a factory-backed answer to the Ram 1500 RHO, only with more muscle. And on a straight, 700 horses should launch 2.5 tons hard. Early drives call it brutally quick, the closest thing yet to a reborn Lightning. The one to buy is the Black Edition, and if you love fast trucks, the Ram RHO review is next.